Gift giving season is upon us, and I have some great ideas for gifts this season. Ones I've received or have given that were real hits with my friends and family. I have these special gifts in my gift guide that I have all the details in the description box for you, all the links and all the details. Let me start with the first gift I love, and I think you will love too.
This gift is one of my favorites to give, so much so that I gifted one to myself.
It is a candle lamp, and what I love about it is that it has a light bulb that goes in here, and you put your candle on the base and it heats up your candle, and that's how the fragrance is permeated through your room. I just love it because of the style and the simplicity, and it adjusts. So if you just twist this, you can adjust the height. So if your candle's a little taller or a little shorter, you can adjust that. You have the little attached remote settings here where you can actually make it dimmer, make it brighter based on how you like in the room, and to automatically turn off. I love this as a gift. It is so great for those candle lovers, or even let's say in offices and different places where you can't burn candles, dorms, different things like that, where you're not allowed to burn the candle, but they still want the ambiance of a candle with the fragrance. Great gift. So I love doing puzzles, and I usually have a puzzle out in our living room that we all get to put together and do as a family. But my son seems to not love the standard puzzle. And the other day he said, boy, I wish I had a puzzle that made you think more and was a little more advanced than just putting puzzles down in a flat format. So I found this. This is a 3D puzzle. It's perfect because he's a media major, and this is a perfect movie projector. They have them in so many different styles. They have them in instruments, they have them in all different things, so many things that could be personal for the person you're giving it to. But I love the added feature of having to put it together in a 3D way and a little more advanced than your typical puzzle.
And another thing about these that makes them amazing is that they actually function. The piano actually plays music, and this projector actually projects a movie on the wall.
Let's talk about gifts for foodies that are a little unique. So my son loves to cook. These are some unique items I found on Amazon that I think he's really gonna enjoy. This one here is Wagyu beef tallow. It is cooking spray. There's no artificial ingredients, gluten-free, no preservatives. He uses oil all the time, and he is more cognizant about the good oils. I think he's gonna love this. The next item I got him are these black truffle slices. They are in olive oil. Check those out. Look at that. It's just a nice little gourmet item that I think he's going to love, and it's going to pair well. So I'm thinking about kind of those Wagyu beef and the truffle, more of the elegant food items. He's going to love it. Those are going to make great stocking stuffers, and they're going to be perfect because I always get him food items, but I wanted to do something different besides chocolates or candy. So I really like that option.
Now let's switch to gifts that are great for those who love to entertain, especially these wine charms. These are so cute. There is a charm for each letter of the alphabet. You can let these just sit on the counter as your guests arrive. They can pick their initial and just put it on their wine stem. I just love this. It's a personal, cute little touch. And I also make sure that these are out when my soup group ladies come over. There is one for each of us, and it's just a cute little touch. Another great thing for those who love to entertain is this skewer block. It's a piece of wood with lots of holes in it, perfect for long toothpicks and those skewers. And you know what's great to pair with this? Themed toothpicks. As someone who loves to entertain, I'm always collecting themed toothpicks that are just the perfect little touch for your appetizer. I have these ones that are a sparkle glitter ball. They were perfect for New Year's Eve. I also had these with graduation caps for, of course, graduation party. The toothpicks with the board would make a great gift.
Okay, I'm going to show you one of my most popular gifts I've given my family, and that is personalized calendars. These come from Shutterfly. I love this because you could just go through your pictures. What else is so fabulous about this is when you put your family's birthdays, holidays, whatever special events are, important to you and your family, you put them in the calendar while you're making this project. It keeps it in there. So every year your dates are already done, so you can make this year to year. I think this is one of those decide once gifts that you just get. Maybe it's really good for your mother-in-law, for the grandparents. And who doesn't love a calendar? And then to be personalized, and every month flip to the month and you see a new special picture of you and your family. I highly recommend this gift. Super personalized and super special. Personalized gifts are my favorite, and this one is no exception. It is a tote bag with your initial on there. It is such a great way to put the Christmas gift or the present in here. And I have a few friends who have birthdays right around the Christmas holiday season. And so it is so nice to do something that is not wrapped in Christmas paper. So it is clearly their birthday present and not something you just had left over with Christmas. The newer version has a pocket inside with a zipper, and you can put all your pens and accessories in it. Speaking of accessories, let's get to why this would make a great gift for that planning person in your life. Let's get to the planning accessories and my personal favorite, Laurel Denise. If you watch my videos, you know I'm a big fan of Laurel Denise and all the planners and all the accessories. And it is perfect to see everything you need to see. They have these flippable bottom pages that flip for the week, so you get a week at a glance along with your month at a glance. It's so fantastic. It has a pocket in the front. It has these great removable rulers and a little bookmark, and then lots of space in here to jot not only your activities but also your thoughts, and plenty of accessories to do all the things you need to do, from budget to food planning to content creating, which I use it a lot for that. They have so many colors and designs, but with the same concept, in your month you have these flippable pages so you can see the week at a glance. At the same time, you have your month at a glance. Perfect. I love it. Let's talk about some of their accessories. They have a pouch to fit your planner in, the large one, and a smaller one, which is perfect for, let me show you, sticky note set. It does not come with this. This is an addition. I just put it on my sticky note set. It is the pen pouch that holds all your pens and holds a bunch of things in there that you need with you. And I love the design of their covers. This, once again, can go into the smaller pouch. And if you have somebody in your life who has a planner that they absolutely love, maybe this pen pouch is the thing they're missing to keep all their accessories and their pens and everything with them with their planner. So those are available in different patterns as well.
Another great gift idea comes from Laurel Denise. It is this wrapping paper set. It is all these beautiful designs and patterns that are very similar to the covers of their planners, and I absolutely love it. I think it would make a great gift for someone who does a lot of gifting themselves, and if you pair it with some washi tape, a package of bows and ribbons, I think it would make such a great gift. This wrapping paper is such high quality, and I've used it in so many ways. Not only for wrapping presents, but also for home decor. I put a piece of the paper in a frame, I glued on a paper flower, and I just love it. It's gonna go great in my hallway. I also did shelf dividers in my closet, used some paper and put them in these acrylic sign holders, and they are the perfect little thing to divide my shelves, so I have these compartments. It worked out so cute. And also with the paper, I have upgraded my recipe binders, as well as made gift tags and gift bags and so many other things. A gift that keeps on giving. Here's another gift idea for those book lovers, those who love to do their planning in the evenings. This is a wonderful book light, but what's great about this is it is rechargeable, so no having to worry about batteries. It is adjustable with the little light, has 2 settings for dimming, and also that charger just comes apart, and then you plug it into the USB and you plug it back in and you are set. I love that it's so simple, compact, and the perfect thing to not have to keep buying batteries.
All right, a great gift for the sports fan in your life. And inside, for your sports lover, is a 3-piece set with gloves, scarf, and a hat. Of course, mine is going to be the Kansas City Chiefs, but look how cute, the hat with the pom-pom. It has your team, the location of the team. It has that on the gloves, and it also has that all over the scarf. They have this in all the teams. And look, the packaging is all done for you. You could just throw on a bow and you are done. I love this, easy, and it was very reasonably priced. Now this next item I am not suggesting to give as a Christmas gift, but because your family is over more for the holidays and you may be seeing them more often, this is something I think about that might be the right timely thing to bring up, talk about, and share. So this is the NokBox, N-O-K for next of kin. It includes all the things that you would need, all the checklists, all of the things when you're thinking about a family member who's getting older, or it could even be for yourself, for you to pass to your kids, when you need to think about everything to make things easier for, yes, that time in the future that we don't like to think about, but it is inevitable. So this is an organized system, and I just purchased it for me and my mom. I really wanted to have something that was organized. I wanted to have something that had all the details, because even if I go online, yes, there will be checklists, but this has everything you need, including a key bag. So thinking about all the important keys. It has the key system with the little colored tabs. It has a file system, so it has all the labels for your files, everything to think about, investments to vehicles, banks accounts, assets, military service, past employments. They think of everything, and that way I don't have to, and it's organized. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link for you below so you can see more details about it and go to their website. But it's something that I find is very tough to talk about, but even having this maybe makes it a little bit easier. Okay, let's get to happier things, shall we?
This final gift idea is something I created. It's my Danielle Keller Creates calendar. I have an appetizer for every month, and I also give the ingredients list, and then I have a QR code that takes you right to the video of where I made this appetizer, and the timestamp is listed so you can get right to the moment of that appetizer being made. I love this little calendar. I think it's super fun, and I have a new one coming out, so when you check the description box, you will find the link that should be to the newest one. If it's not there yet, it's because I'm still working on it. Anyway, I hope you check that out, and I hope you will see all of the links below in the description for all the gifts I mentioned. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next video.